Hi guys, Dr. Karen here, the Women's Midlife Specialist, and I can't believe it. We are only a day or two away from starting the gut cleanse and reset. And I want so much to invite you to join us. So today I'm going to give you one more try, one more chance to join in. I want to talk about today something incredibly powerful, the link between your gut, your microbiome, and your brain. So the trillions of microbes that live inside your gut don't help with just digestion. I've told you that lots of times. They actually talk directly to your brain. And more research is showing that when our gut is out of balance, it may increase the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and even other memory disorders and memory movement disorders. And so inside the gut, some bacteria are what I like to call those troublemakers. For example, certain types of bacteria like Bacteroides and E. coli and Desulfovibrio, species like this can promote inflammation or even produce toxins that irritate the brain. And some can trigger the same kinds of sticky proteins that we see building up in Alzheimer's disease. But then we also have the good guys like Fecalibacterium, Bifidobacterium, Lactobacillus, and Eubacterium. These are all the good guys. These bacteria produce short chain fatty acids that lower inflammation and strengthen the gut barrier and protect your brain. Unfortunately, in people with Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions, the good guys are often low and the troublemakers are often high. So what this tells us is that the brain health isn't just about the brain. It starts in the gut. And when you support the protective bacteria with the right foods, you're not only improving digestion, but you're also sending powerful messages of healing and protection to your brain. And that means more fiber-rich vegetables, beans, and whole grains for the good guys, and more fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. These foods feed your microbiome and can support memory, mood, and focus. And of course, cutting back on processed foods and excess sugar helps starve the troublemakers. The most exciting part? You can change your microbiome. I've seen it over and over with my patients and in my programs. That's why every year I've been hosting Squeaky Clean to Lean and Keen Gut Cleanse program. And this is our 10th year. And it's a group elimination diet and gut reset that has helped hundreds of women and a few very smart men who were brave enough to join us. We lose weight, we balance our hormones, we reduce inflammation, and we sharpen our brains. And this year, I'm offering it completely free, and it's my gift to you for taking such good care of yourself and for supporting my work. It's my way of saying thank you. If you're curious about how a cleaner gut can mean a sharper brain, and you want step-by-step guidance with daily support, come join us at Squeaky Clean to Lean and Keen. We start next week and we're ready for you. Remember, the gut and the brain are partners for life. And when you take care of one, you're taking care of the other. You have nothing to lose except fat, inflammation, and brain fog. I can't wait to see you there. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.